What's the meaning of Billie Holiday? Billie Holiday. Billie Holiday.
Billie Holiday. Billie Holiday. Billie Holiday was an American jazz singer and songwriter, renowned for her unique vocal style and ability to interpret songs with deep emotion. With a career spanning over 3 decades, she remains a cultural icon and one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Born in 1915 in Philadelphia, Holiday faced numerous struggles throughout her life, including poverty, racism, drug addiction, and eventually imprisonment. Despite these challenges, she continued to create timeless music that resonates with audiences to this day. Her contributions to the world of music have left an indelible mark and continue to inspire generations of musicians and fans alike.